Welcome to Pumping Up.
Then we just want to pump you up.
Sydney, what are you doing?
Pumping.
Pumping?
Yeah.
Let me see it. Hold it up. Oh, wow. Does it work?
No.
Does it work?
I want to see it.
Tyler, just... Not this time, right?
I got milk.
I probably shouldn't be taping this, should I? You got milk. So you're answering the question on the commercial, huh? You do have milk.
I don't have that one.
Alright, time for lunch. You guys ready?
Let me see it first. Let's see it. Wasn't tough.
I did. Okay, say goodbye. We're gonna eat lunch.
I'm quiet. Let's see it.
Say bye-bye.
Let's see it.
Say bye-bye first.
Bye-bye first.
Tyler.
Bye-bye.
Tyler.
I'll try that first.
Say bye-bye.